Allah Almighty says, "No doubt Allah has purchased from the Muslims their lives and their belongings against this return, that for them is paradise. They fight in the way of Allah, then they kill and are killed. True promise on His generous responsibility in the Torah and the Injil and the Quran. And who is true to His words than Allah? Rejoice then in your trade which you have done with Him. And it is this which is the great triumph. Those who repent, those who worship, those who praise, those who fast, those who bow, those who prostrate themselves, those who tell good and forbid evil, and those who watch the limits of Allah, and give you glad tidings to the Muslims." Surah Tawbah, verse 111 and 112. Hazrat Ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu says, here limits means the obedience. Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu said that he asked Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, saying, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which of the deed is the most excellent?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "To perform prayer at its prescribed time." I submitted, "What next?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "To do good to parents." I submitted, "What next?" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "To fight in the way of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu." Then I observed silence. Had I inquired more of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he would have narrated more deeds. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 2782.